Impossible Things workshop was absolutely wonderful, surpassed my expectations by far. And what I found amazing was to have this diversity of expertise of different people from around the world. So I have to say I learned a lot by thinking outside the box, by hearing people with expertise that I was really not familiar with on the engineering side, and bringing that together with biologists. And I couldn't be happier with these last 3 days and what they brought me, what I learned and what I take away.
The Impossible Things workshop was a great opportunity to connect with experts from various fields and really dive deep into what exploring the deep sea means. And I think that having the space to brainstorm freely, think creatively, ask really stupid questions and learn a lot was really, really refreshing.
I was absolutely astounded by the depth of expertise that I just had no idea existed or that I would be exposed to.
Having different kinds of people, right? Engineers, biologists, ecologists, some people that are interested in policy or in funding opportunities.
The synergy was really special because all of a sudden the conversations just flow very naturally, and all of a sudden we're talking about collaborating in a very quick way, but it feels very natural.
I thought the whole workshop had a great vibe, a really relaxed vibe where everyone felt very comfortable.
The level of engagement and discussion was higher than in most other conferences I've been to.
You get all different stakeholders and all different perspectives in the same room that are also then helping with the end design, the end application of lower cost technology and making things more accessible for more people.
I look forward to figuring out how machine learning can be better used to help serve the research.
As a result, we came up with some very exciting ideas, some of them really big and exciting and long-term, and some of them really applied and realistic over the shorter term, over the next year. And I'm very excited to see what comes out of these new relationships, new collaborations, and these exciting new ideas that have come up.
And thinking about challenges that really do seem impossible and trying to make them possible was, yeah, something I'll never forget.